trata de poco a poco tener esta energía positiva. Porque sí, una cosa te voy a decir. Hay muchísima gente que no te quiere. Y ¿sabes qué? Necesitamos a esa gente. Porque nos recuerdan lo chingones que somos. Esas personas que nos están recordando qué chingones somos. Porque les lastima nuestra presencia. Por eso. And I think it's important that we need those people that don't like us, because knowing that our presence bugged the heck out of them. I don't know why. No idea. But to my point of view, that gives me motivation to continue in life and to live life the fullest. Yeah, the fullest. I said the fullest. There might not be tomorrow. Let's live today. Let's live today. Tomorrow's a freaking mystery. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Yesterday, shit we did, done. But today is the present, and you have to live it. I know, it sounds so easy, right? Sounds so poetic. But guess what, though? It's the truth. It's the truth of that. So I just want to share the little things that I've been thinking lately in the last, I don't know, few months. How things doesn't come out your way.